Welcome to Harley-Davidson of Danbury. Thank you for joining me on this walk around and informative review video of this awesome certified pre-owned 2018 FLHCS Heritage Softail. This bike has 114 cubic inches in the form of the awesome and powerful 114 cubic inch Milwaukee 8 engine. Now, what does Milwaukee 8 mean? That means we've got 8 valves total, 2 intake and 2 exhaust per cylinder, and 2 spark plugs per cylinder for more performance and more efficient running. Now, this is also an oil and an air-cooled engine. As we rotate around to the front, we see the large oil cooler, and what that points out is that this engine is both oil and air-cooled. We use oil as both a lubricant and a coolant on this motorcycle. Moving around to the front, we see the awesome Made in USA Dunlop tires with passing lamps and LED type lighting with the two-tone dark smoke and partially clear detachable windscreen on this motorcycle. Beautiful vivid black paint complementing the blacked out engine on this motorcycle with floorboards. For comfort, as we move around to the gas tank, we see the cat's eye dash and the leather tank panel and the mini ape hanger handlebars in black for absolute comfort. This motorcycle also has electronic cruise control. As we zero in on the dash, let's take a look at the extraordinarily low mileage. We see 1,579 original miles on this 2018 114 Heritage. Moving around the back of the motorcycle, we see this bike has a hold fast or detachable backrest and pad for the passenger. We've got lockable leather saddlebags that have a weather seal for weather resistance. And in the back, we see this motorcycle is in beautiful condition with, again, the rear Made in USA Dunlop tire. Moving around the side of the motorcycle, we see the blacked out engine. We see the 4 spark plug leads coming out of the high performance ignition coil. And there's our tow shifter with floorboard for the rider. Working our way around the front of the motorcycle, we see this motorcycle has ABS brakes. And what that means is these are reflex-linked ABS brakes that have a proportioning valve feature that will apply front and rear brakes together in certain proportions above 25 miles an hour to ensure smooth, safe, consistent stopping in all weather conditions. Again, the windshield is detachable. The motorcycle is certified pre-owned. This is a 2018 FLHCS Heritage 114 certified pre-owned at Harley-Davidson of Danbury. And right behind us is the Harley-Davidson Performance Center for Harley-Davidson of Danbury. And that means you're looking at our DynoJet 250i fully computerized dynamometer where we can test, tune, and hot rod any carburetor or fuel-injected Harley-Davidson for you. Now, what does that mean? Well, what that means in practical terms for you, the owner or future owner of this certified pre-owned Heritage, is that we can take this 114-inch M8 8-valve engine and we can move it up in stages to up to 131 cubic inches using Screaming Eagle performance parts. Stage 1 would include the upgrade with a Harley-Davidson street tuner, a high-flow air cleaner, and a Screaming Eagle high-flow exhaust, which would combine to give us approximately 10% more power and torque across the entire RPM range. Stage 2 would involve one of 2 cams, either a horsepower or a torque cam, and a retune with the Harley-Davidson street tuner for yet again more horsepower. Stage 3 takes us to the big bore options, which are on this 114 starting with 117 cubic inches and moving up to either 124, 128, and the awesome, powerful and large, no replacement for displacement 131 cubic inch Screaming Eagle big bore kit. Stage 4 gives us the top dog, biggest of the big option here, which includes a larger throttle body and high flow cylinder heads, and yet again, different camshafts all the way to maximize the combination of parts, the throttle body, the cylinder heads. Stage 4 is going to give peak horsepower, peak torque at a slightly higher RPM range, which would make this one very, very fast Heritage. So again, we've got tremendous options here for you at Harley-Davidson of Danbury. We've got a super high quality 1,600 mile certified pre-owned 2018 Heritage in vivid black. Come pay us a visit. This motorcycle is available for test riding. Harley-Davidson of Danbury is a family-owned business. We've been open for over 26 years, and we are presently open Tuesday through Friday, 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. Saturdays, 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. We're presently closed Sundays and Mondays. Thank you for watching this video. Come visit us and let's go riding together. We appreciate your business at Harley-Davidson of Danbury.